Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today we will discuss the fifth question of Leetcode Zoom challenge. The fifth question is random pick with weight. What we have given is we have given an array W. We have to create a function pick index which will randomly pick an index from W. So for the solution, we will create a v1 vector or array which will store the indexes prefix sum. For example, in this case, it will store 1 at 0th index. At second index, it will store 1 plus 2 plus nothing. And after, on third index, it will store 1 plus 2 plus 3. At fourth index, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. At fifth index, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this will be my indexing. So at 0th index, I will store 1. On first index, I will store 2. On third index, I will store this. On fourth index, I will store this value. And on fifth index, I will store this. So what it will do? Then we will use a random. Suppose after this the array will compute with 3, 6, 10 and 15. This will be the array after the completion. Now what we will do, we will use a random picker which will randomly pick a value from 0 to the last index of v1. So it will pick a value from 0 to 15. Now what we will do, that if suppose the random picker picks the value 8. So now we will check the upper bound of 8. The upper bound of 8 will be 10. So the index is 3. So we will print that 3 index. So what we are doing is we are calculating the maximum sum and then randomly taking a value from 0 to 15 and then taking the upper bound of it so that the solution can come. So this is the approach for Leetcode June challenge day 5. So now let's look at the solution. First of all, I have created a vector v. Here I have initialized and here I have taken the prefix sum in the v. So now let's iterate this over this example. So here I have initialized v. So v equals to, in this fifth line, I have push back the first value, so vector v1's 0 index will be this. Now after this I start iterating over the loop in which I taken the previous value of v1 and the current value of w and take sum of both. So what it will happen, in first case it will take 4 and 1, so it will be 5. In second case it will take 6 and 5. What it will be? It will be 11. In next case it will take 11 and 8, it will be 19. In next case it will take 10 and 19, it will be 29. So this is our vector at the end. So now what we are doing is, from this first line, this line number 12 of pick index, we are randomly picking a number. Suppose n comes to be 14 randomly. Now here what I am doing is, here I am finding the upper bound. Suppose the upper bound comes at 19. So what I have to return is, I have to return its index. So how can I return its index? This can be written by iterator minus begin. So with the help of this I have written the index. So in this case the answer will be 4. Sorry, the answer will be 3 according to index. So this is the solution for Leetcode day 5 June challenge. Thank you guys. For more such content, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.